In today's video, let's talk about the way that you create a resume in Indeed. Welcome back to Howgenic everyone. If you created a profile inside of Indeed, there are two things that you can do with your resume. Either upload a PDF resume that you've already built, or you can build from scratch inside of Indeed. So to do that, head over to the human icon or the profile section on the top right. From this profile section, if you haven't yet uploaded any resume, you'll have two options, the upload resume option and the build an Indeed resume. Click on the second option, which is building inside of Indeed, and you'll need to start off by filling in information. So make sure your first name and last name is correct and then click on continue. Make sure all of your information are correct and up to date. There will also be sections where you can skip, but for the most part, if you add in each and every detail, your resume is going to be stronger. So as I said, you just need to fill in all of the information that you have for your existing career and resume. You just need to either select or fill in the details that are required. You can add things such as your job titles and work experiences and then create a detailed paragraph. Lastly, you're going to get a summary of everything that you've added in. Make sure you scroll through and check if anything is missing or anything can be improved. Once all of the sections are completed, you can just click on finish. And there you go. If you now head over to your profile, you can see your Indeed resume is now complete, and it's also going to show you suggestions based upon the resume that you just created. So that's all there is to create a resume inside of Indeed. If this guide video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.